another video.
Next stop, now
We're heading to the Seattle Parade right now.
This is the one line.
It's about 5 in the morning. It's gonna be a long day, but yeah, we're gonna meet up with some of our cousins in Seattle. And yeah, parade starts at 10 a.m. We're gonna film as much as we can. There's gonna be a lot of people. But yeah, stay tuned. It's my first ever parade, so I'm pretty excited. See you guys in a little bit though.
Next stop, International District, Chinatown. This is the one line.
We just got here. As you can see behind me, Bloomfield. That's where we're gonna be in a couple hours. But already right now, there's a lot of people walking around, getting ready for this parade. We just took the transit here. We're gonna wait for our other cousins to come. But yeah, we'll see you guys in a little bit. Waiting for the thing to start, but in a couple hours, we'll be right there. Right there, sitting down, watching the trophy get presented. Seattle, we did it, yes sir. See, no, fine then. All right, guys, we're walking to the stadium. Ooh, it is cold out here in Seattle. It is 6 in the morning. Elston, Ross, and Diadopoly. Oh yeah, we're walking. There's already a lot of Seahawks fans out, but yeah, we are about to cheer and go crazy for the Seahawks. All right, guys. I just got my food. We're at Kingdom Deli. It's across from the stadium. I got a Polish hot dog. We're just getting some food before we getting our cheer on. It's gonna be packed soon. It's only 6:20. 6:22. People start coming at 7 or something. But yeah, I'll pick up the camera probably when we walk to the stadium. Alright guys, we just finished eating.
These guys had burgers.
Ross and Elson ate a burger. I ate a hot dog sandwich. We just met up with Elwin and X. Thing to open. Oh yeah. Just want to keep you guys updated. I'll see you guys when we get out there.
Like their burgers.
Alright guys. We're walking to the stadium. Stadium.
Yeah, down
Dreamed
by
of this.
Guest Link.
I dreamed of this. So yeah, you gotta stay tuned. We made it. Yes, sir. We're gonna walk up to our spots now. Let's go. We made it. We made it. Yes, sir. We made it, guys. Yes, sir. We made it.
And speaking of the Super Bowl, I was down in Santa Clara, and what a beautiful time it was. Meeting the amazing 12, meeting and talking to players and Seahawks legends. But more importantly, my highlight was when Chinna Nwosu gets the interception, he takes it back to the house, and watching those Patriot fans leave the stadium like Black Friday when the TVs are sold out. Now, Henri, you were there down in Santa Clara, and you tell us about your experience.
I was G.
Here comes your 2025 As they say, it's a very funny thing. As we have seen all season long, this Super Bowl victory was a total team effort, and that includes ownership, Jody Allen. Thank you so much.
Alright, guys. Parade. Look around. It's busy. Go Hawks.
Yeah, maybe you're right.
Yes, sir.
That's what they're saying, bro.
guys, we just got back from the parade. It was a long day for us, a lot of walking, and I'm sorry if this video is short. It was pretty packed down in Seattle, and we tried our best to record what we can, what we can see. Shout out to the Seahawks, shout out to all the 12s, shout out to my family, and hopefully we can win next year. But that's enough for football. Now it's looking forward to graduation, Easter. But yeah, comment down below any video ideas if you guys want us to go back to challenges. But yeah, you guys stay tuned because in a couple months Easter's coming. What else to look forward to? Yeah, just stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so you get notified every time we upload. Don't forget to like and subscribe, check out the merch, and share our channel so we can grow. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Go Hawks. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.